Howdy, welcome back to the channel. Today we're rock hounding at a beach just south of Newport here in Oregon, and we're looking for agates, fossils, jaspers, petrified wood, really anything cool that we can possibly find. So let's go ahead and start the adventure. Now I haven't found anything cool yet. It is almost low tide right now, because there is actually a lot of concretions actually here in the ground, here in the bedrock. So I'm looking for anything that might have gotten knocked loose. The main goal is to find some cool fossils, some fossilized bone, maybe if I'm really lucky, like a crab or a partial crab. That'd be really cool. But honestly, the biggest point was just to kind of get out and out of the shop. It's been a hot minute since I've been rock hounding, and just kind of enjoy the nice view that I got here. It's not windy, it's not raining. It's like the perfect weather for rock hounding. But I continue to mosey on the beach here, see what I can find, because there is also some stuff here. Some quartz, nothing crazy. Leave it for the next person. It's a nice day to get out. Kind of neat looking. Little quartz or calcite bugs. That's cool. Look at this cute little guy right here. Gonna fight you. Gonna fight you. Gotta hurry up and fossilize in the next few 100,000 years. So the next rock hound can find you. Gotta hide. We made it back up towards the wall here, and you can see there's a fair amount of gravel here. So gotta pick a spot, start walking in one direction, and then I'll just turn around and walk back and do that multiple times to start finding some cool stuff. There's a lot of fossils here on the beach. It's like shell fossils. I showed you before, like solid quartz, but not the clear kind. Yeah, I'm not gonna bore you with looking at the ground the entire time. So when I think I found something, I will hit the record button. If I don't find anything, well, that's okay. It's not about how much cool stuff I can find. It is about the adventure and just getting out for the day. I know I said that kind of before, but that's okay. More quartzy-like material. I've actually decided to walk north. Yeah, we got the gravel back there, but there's several people back there, and I kind of want to go where people aren't right now, so we're gonna go that way, because I think I see gravel over there, and that's what I want right now for the best chance to find some fossils. So let's go. Alright, came across this. Kind of looks like regular quartz, but could also be an agate. So since I'm not 100% sure, I'm gonna go ahead and take this with me, and we'll cut it when we get home. See what's on the inside. But I got to the other gravel area. There's one other person over there. He kind of walked past me as I'm slowly walking through. So let's see what we can find over here. Maybe we can find some more of these. Hopefully this is something. If not, that's okay. I had just turned off the camera after getting this. I looked down here, and I think that's bone. Woohoo! I found my first piece of bone today. Look at that. That's cool. Nice. Well, when we get back, might grind the end of this just to make sure. But I'm pretty sure it's a nice little chunk of bone. Cool. Let's get these in my bag. Yeah, I made the right decision come to this side because I was just over here, got that, looked down, and I'm like, huh, what's that? Is that more bone? That is definitely bone, without a doubt. Nice. Does it go through? Yeah, it does. Woohoo! Oh man, I'm excited. This is awesome. This is cool. That's so cool. I forgot to record it, but it's not super high quality, but it's more bone. And it's pretty low quality, but still pretty cool. Got a little agate. Just a little guy. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, piece of candy. So you can also find a lot of shells like this. Not intact, but it's cool looking. And of course I kind of found a couple agates as well. Gotta dig them out of my pocket here. A couple little agates, nothing crazy. Uh-oh, I dropped one. Reenactment. So I'm back up here at the wall. I went down there for a little bit, see what I could find, but now I'm back here at the wall, hunt for more fossils, some more bone, and see what I can find. See, that almost looks like bone right there. Kinda. Oh, I can't even get it out. Oh. No, it's not bone. Wishful thinking. Just found this. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of neat looking. I think I'm gonna throw this in my bag and see if it'll polish up. See what it looks like. Yeah. I'm just gonna go over here and look through these trenches and then just enjoy the view for a little bit. What do we got here? I don't know what that is. Might put it in my bag though. Maybe give it a cut, see what it looks like. It's probably some kind of like jaspery material. And then there is this. It's not bone. But it's interesting looking though. Very interesting. Might leave that for the next person. But I'm curious about this though. I don't think it's an agate. Just kind of some kind of jasper. Let's keep searching and see what we can find. More people have ended up on the beach after a while of me being here. So I'm gonna try to keep the camera down so I don't catch them on camera. Ran into a friendly face at the beach. Where are you at? Hi, Karen. Hi. And then flip the camera around, I think. Little agate right here. Nice. Woohoo! That was awesome. I thought that was a lot smaller. Karen actually got a cooler agate, but she'll show it off on her channel. Karen helped me find this little blue-black agate. I've never really found one before. So, that was really nice of her. Nice. Found what looks to be Torito wood. Yeah. Woohoo. Look at that. Nice. Finding a little bit of everything today. Woohoo. Nice. I'm finding what I think is crab, but it's not a crab. Karen finds this massive beast of bone. Look at that.
There's something on the other side.
That's nuts. And if I just kept walking. Good job, Karen. So Karen just found a cool bone. And I walked ahead of her this time, and this time I found a piece of wood.
That's a big piece of Torito.
I'm gonna have to ditch the other one in my bag. This one looks better.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna ditch the other one. This one's better.
That's pretty.
Nice. Woohoo!
Wow!
Karen just found this.
What does that look like? Maybe pelvis or something?
That's a massive chunk of bone. Clusters of bone.
In order. What?
Flip it over. Is that maybe a shoulder blade right here?
Maybe, yeah.
I think it is, because you flip it over.
Rib.
And then
Shoulder blade.
inverts right here.
Inverts. Yeah, I think you're right. Wow. Wow, I think this is the best bone I've found. Ever.
Nice.
Yeah,
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Where's the rest of it?
Next one is yours. Dude, they're right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Time to start looking.
Yeah.
Start looking better. Okay.
Because I can't carry this one.
You want me to carry it for you? Well, I'm done here on the beach, and I'm up in my truck. Karen's already gone. She got her really cool find, and I'm so excited that she was able to find that. That was so cool. That was so cool. And to think I probably just walked right over it. But I know it's going to go to a good home, and be sure to check out her channel. It's Ozone Fine Art Ventures, and I'll have a link to it in the description of this video. But I am going to leave. I might go to one more spot before I actually go home. That'd be a separate video. But this is going to do for now. So be sure to check in on Karen's channel, on her finds, and check out her videos. And I will see you all here on the next video. So until then, rock on.